This is my family. I have a big family. My parents and your sister. She is my sister Angeline. She is 12 years old and is in 7th grade. She is my sister Luisa. She is 16 years old and is in 11th grade. They are my parents. She is my mother. His name is Joanne. She is 38 years old and is a housewife. He is my father. His name is Junior. He is 38 years old. He is dedicated to my presentation. My name is Julia Andrea Sanchez Arara. I'm 19 years old. I am from Buenos Aires, Cauca, Colombia. I live with my parents and sister in Buenos Aires, Cauca. I am currently working in the company Supergirls, and I am studying psychology at University Universidad Santander de Clichao, Cauca. My hobby favorite is listening to music and going for a walk. My favorite TV show is The End of Paradise and an whole fiction novels. Thank you.